How to pin multiple locations in Google Maps. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can pin multiple locations in a single Google Map. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, simply search for maps on your Google. After you search for Google Maps, open that up. After you open up your Google Maps, you will be able to see different locations and you can start searching for any place that you want. So now getting to adding multiple locations, tap on this saved option on the left sidebar. After you tap on saved, here you'll find maps option. You'll see the maps tab. Tap on it, and now you can tap on create map. Tap on this create map option on the bottom, and it will open up another tab where you will see a new map. So let's tap on create here. After you create a new map, you should be on this option right here where you can start pinning new locations. So let me just zoom out and change the location here. So after you're on the place where you want to be, you can start adding multiple locations or multiple pins. So now to pin the location, you'll have to choose this option that says add marker. Tap on that and start adding the pin. Now you can name this stuff or you can name the places here as well. So I'll not be naming those, but yeah, just start pinning stuff and you can zoom out, go to someplace else, and again tap on add marker option to add a pin. There we go. I've added the second pin, and again to add another pin, simply tap on this option again and pin it again. And that's basically how you can add multiple markers or pins on a single map. And now you can save the map. It automatically gets saved, and you can tap on the preview option as well to see your map. So there you can see this is the map that I have pinned multiple locations at, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.